Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to PayPal. Okay, first things first, what exactly is a Coinmarketcap about? Now, Coinmarketcap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. Its mission is pretty simple, which is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality, and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. So now that we know what the CoinMarketCap is about, how exactly can we create an account on CoinMarketCap? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type coinmarketcap.com. That's going to take you to the official website. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner. Go ahead and use the login button to log in using an existing account or to sign up by creating a new account. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the CoinMarketCap. Now, how do you transfer money from CoinMarketCap to PayPal? From this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you're going to find your profile icon. So here you have an extended menu that says watch list, portfolio, my community page, settings, and log out. Go ahead and click on portfolio, and that's going to open up the portfolio window. Now, I have created two portfolios, which is the Green Dragon and, of course, my holdings. So the first thing I would like you to know is that I'm so sorry, you cannot transfer money from CoinMarketCap to PayPal. You cannot transfer money at all in the CoinMarketCap. And that's because CoinMarketCap is basically an analysis tool. It's just for information keeping. It's an application that actually helps you stay on top of the cryptocurrency space. It helps you stay on top of your coin. It helps you analyze the coin, analyze market trends to see how your coin is performing, and to also know the crypto markets where you can buy your coin. All right. So you cannot transfer real money, but then you can definitely import your balance from PayPal into the CoinMarketCap by creating a portfolio. Now, once you import your balance, it's going to help you to, analyze your coin and see the performance of your coin with time. How do you do that? Sorry about that. So how do you do that? All right. So head over here and click on Create Portfolio. Click on the Create Portfolio tab right there, and it's going to take you right here to connect your wallet. So go ahead and click on Connect Your Wallet so that they can connect your wallet to the CoinMarketCap. So in here, you can change the avatar if you want to. Now add your portfolio name. What name do you want to give this portfolio? Now you're going to have to add your wallet address. So in this sense, you can add PayPal. But PayPal is not supported, right? Is that supported? Okay, all right. You necessarily do not need to use that wallet itself, but then you can use the wallet address for these particular coins. All right, so you have supported network, which includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, and all of this. So let's say in your PayPal, if the balance that you're using, or if you're using any of these coins in PayPal, so go to your PayPal account and copy any of these coins. Copy the wallet address for any of those coins in your PayPal wallet or your PayPal account. So once you've copied the address for any of those coins, head over here to add the wallet address. So click on that, and once you copy and paste the wallet address here from PayPal, go ahead and click on Create Connection. So after creating connection, you're going to see that it's going to be added here to your list of portfolios, just like I have added here. So just like this is, you're going to see it here. You're going to see your new portfolio added. So you can click on that and scroll the way down. You can check the history. You can check the performance of the coin and the allocation, see how your money is doing. Check your holdings, average buy price, and check if you're making profits or losses. So that's it. You cannot transfer real money from the CoinMarketCap to any application or any wallet at all. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.